Midterm review number 47. This problem asks you to solve an equation involving rational expression, also known as fractional expressions. In order to do that, I need to first factor all of my denominators. I need to find the LCD. The LCD is the product of the unique factors. So theoretically, it would be x plus 1 times x minus 1 times 1 minus x. But there's a little shortcut we can do to make our lives easier. I know that if I multiplied negative 1 times 1 minus x, that would be the same thing as x minus 1. If I multiply the denominator by negative 1, I have to multiply the numerator as well. So let's simplify. The first term is going to stay the same. The second term, a negative becomes positive, and when I carry that negative 1 and distribute it to each term and then reverse the order, I get x minus 1. Now it's easy for me to determine the LCD. It's just going to be x plus 1 times x minus 1. So it's a little simpler than before. I'm now going to multiply each one of these terms by x plus 1 times x minus 1. I'm going to reduce the common term. So these denominators are going to reduce to 1 and I'm left with 4x. This is going to reduce to 1 and I'm left with 4 times x plus 1. And the x plus 1s are going to reduce and I'm left with x minus 1. I'm going to distribute the 4 to that second term. And the 2 to that last term. I'm going to combine like terms on the same side of the equation. Now I'm going to isolate x by subtracting 2x from both sides. I get 6x plus 4 is equal to negative 2. And now I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. Divide both sides by 6. And the potential solution is x is equal to negative 1. But we know we have to check each of our solutions in our original equation. So wherever I see an x, I'm going to replace it with a negative 1. This becomes negative 4 over 0. Minus 4 over 2 is equal to 2 over 0. Since we see that the terms become undefined, there actually is no solution. We have to reject this answer, and our final answer is simply the empty set.